Alright guys, in this lesson I'm going to teach you exactly how to get the most out of this course. The first thing I want you to do is to complete each lesson at least once. Be sure to watch and rewatch each lesson till the information shared completely sticks. If you are watching a lesson and there's a specific part that you don't understand, go ahead and watch this again. And if you don't understand the whole lesson, please watch the lesson over and over till you understand and grab the concept taught in the lesson. Write out all the code yourself. Don't just watch me code. Make sure that you write out the code in your code editor. Pause the video every few seconds. Make sure you master what you've learned before moving on to the next section or to the next part of the video. Complete all quizzes and assignments in this course. This course is going to be jam-packed with quizzes and assignments. All of these quizzes and assignments have been designed to make sure that you master the subject matter in this course. So make sure you complete them before moving on to the next lesson. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask these questions in the discussion forum. And before you ask a question, make sure you do some research on Google or in the discussion forum for the course to make sure that your question has not been asked before by another student. This is also going to train you on how to find solutions to your problems yourself. But if you're really stuck, go ahead and ask a question, and I'm going to do my best to support you. Also, other students from the course can also help you out if you are stuck. Finally, grab a coffee and enjoy this course as you go along. Enjoy building real awesome software development products. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you up in the very first lesson.